In our kitchen today, I have Liz, a dietitian, and Maribel, a health coach.
Hi.
Liz, what do you have for us today?
Today in the kitchen, we're making hummus or chickpea dip.
Good, Maribel.
Another way to think of it.
Well, I want to make sure everybody knows we have an option. We can cook our own garbanzos at home, or we can buy them in a can. Just make sure you rinse them. If you decide to cook them, make sure you soak them overnight.
What is hummus, by the way?
What is hummus? People know it by garbanzos. People know it by chickpeas. But what we're making is a dip. And instead of a bean dip, we're making our garbanzo dip.
Good, and hummus is used in Mediterranean diet. Very healthy, so watch with us today.
We're going to start by adding our parsley. And you can use your blender. It doesn't have to be any specific blender. And then we're going to put the parsley on the bottom to start the process and make sure it gets finely chopped. We're adding 2 cups of cooked garbanzos.
And the best thing about the garbanzos are that it's the best form of legumes for diabetics.
Very good.
To control their blood
High in
sugars.
protein and high in fiber.
That is correct. We're going to proceed by adding our fire roasted bell peppers and onions.
Very good. And that's going to give it a fantastic flavor, am I right?
That is correct.
Good.
Don't forget, one of our other ingredients is tahini.
Well, what is tahini, by the way? We've used it before. What's tahini?
Sesame seed butter.
Sesame seed butter, and sesame seed is filled with a lot of good fats and omega-3 fatty acid.
And vitamin E.
And vitamin E for the skin. So don't forget this tahini.
And last, we're going to add our garlic powder.
Very good. And you know, garlic is good for the immune system, so eating garlic is good for your health. All right. Good. All right, let's see. Very good. I like the color. So let me mix them out.
Depending on the consistency that you like, you can add, if you want it thinner, you can add a little bit more of water. And last, we're going to add our lemon. Add the lemon, the little bit of fluids, and blend it.
Very nice. We're getting there.
Almost done.
Almost done.
The best thing about this recipe is the versatility you can have with the hummus. You could not only just have the red bell pepper, but you could have green or whatever flavor you like.
Very good. And it can be used as a spread as well. So let's go ahead and see how you're going to use this. Very nice, ladies. Let's see. So you're going to use it as a dip to dip those vegetables you have there. Am I right?
Yes.
Correct.
It's
And
like
we
the best incentive to have our vegetables.
Very
Sometimes
good.
it's difficult for us to get them in our diets, but this is a great way.
Good, and
have
we're
them.
using multicolored vegetable. Remember that the color of the vegetable brings various vitamins and minerals. So when you're using vegetable, you need to mix the colors. Very nice.
Yeah.
So here we have, you can have this if you're having a party or any special event. And then we could use it with your pita chips. And remember to get whole grain pita chip.